Okay, cool. So my name's Tony Robinson. I'm a mainly green, but also a lot of blue. Ignore the other two colors. And mainly learned a lot of great skills about how to deal with red people and yellow people today. Very important. How to, I don't know, get my point across to them without making them angry and that type of good thing, which is important to us green people.
I'm Crystal Walden, and I just attended the Colorful Connections workshop. Learned a lot about different people and how to interact with them. Learned a lot in my relationship about what colors are missing and what maybe we need to focus on, and it will continue to help me learn better people skills as my future and career goes on.